For rent, short-term, 2-day minimum, or long-term. The walkway to San Antonio del Mar Garden Casita. The living room is fully furnished. Not included in this video of the living room is the television set, wall heater, and split air conditioner. The kitchen has a full-size refrigerator, freezer, stovetop, microwave, and coffee pot. The entire home has a 3-way water filter system. The bedroom is small but cozy with a king-size bed and a 4-drawer dresser. Twice a month the home will be cleaned, which is included in the rent. Bed linens and bath towels will be provided. You'll have access to a washer and a dryer. Thank you for touring the Garden Casita. Please call if you have questions. I'm sorry to say I only speak English, so please have an interpreter available.